Hey everyone, it's Molly Larson here. And listen, I know you're excited. You've just taken this massive step toward a healthier life with bariatric surgery. Congrats, that's huge. But now, the questions start popping up, right? Like, when can you jump back into exercise without pushing it too far? How do you handle loose skin, which we all know is a common concern? And what about those trendy diets like intermittent fasting? Are those safe post-surgery? These are all valid questions. And trust me, you're not alone in asking them. Every single one of my patients has had these same thoughts swirling around after surgery. It's a whole new world, and it's natural to want to navigate it safely and effectively. That's why I put this video together for you. I'm going to break down these common concerns, give you the straight facts, and empower you to make the best choices for your body as you continue on this incredible journey. We're in this together, so let's dive right in. Okay, let's talk exercise after bariatric surgery. Staying active is key. It helps maintain weight loss, build strength, and boost energy. But rushing into strenuous exercises too soon can do more harm than good. Avoid unnecessary strain or injuries. In the initial weeks, think gentle. Walking is your best friend. Start slow, 10 to 15 minutes a day, and gradually increase. Listen to your body. If you feel pain, stop and rest. As you heal, incorporate low-impact exercises like swimming or cycling. Work closely with your doctor or therapist for a personalized plan. And remember, every little bit of movement counts. Now, I know many of you are eager to get back to the gym and hit those weights. I get it. But patience, my friends, patience is key here. We don't want to rush the process and risk injury. Typically, you can start thinking about returning to the gym around the 6-week mark after surgery. But again, this is just a general guideline. Everyone's recovery timeline is different. Before you even think about lifting a dumbbell, you must get clearance from your surgeon. They'll assess your healing progress and give you the green light when they're confident your body is ready. Once you get the okay, don't go full steam ahead. Start slow and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation before you can start adding the walls and roof. Focus on bodyweight exercises initially. Things like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks are great for building strength without putting too much stress on your joints. As you progress, you can start incorporating light weights and resistance bands. But remember, form over weight. It's better to use lighter weights and maintain proper form than to go heavy and risk injury. Listen to your body. If you feel any pain, stop and rest. Don't push through it. It's better to be safe than sorry. And don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're unsure about an exercise or need guidance, don't hesitate to ask a trainer or fitness professional at your gym. They're there to help you achieve your fitness goals safely and effectively. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Be patient, be consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. You got this. Chapter 3. Let's talk about loose skin. It's a common concern after significant weight loss, and it's completely normal. But let me tell you, it's not something to be ashamed of. It's a badge of honor, a testament to your incredible journey. Now, while we can't completely eliminate loose skin, there are things we can do to minimize its appearance and improve skin elasticity. First and foremost, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps keep your skin plump and hydrated, which can make it look and feel more elastic. Next up, nutrition plays a vital role. Focus on a healthy, balanced diet rich in protein, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, including skin. Collagen supplements are also gaining popularity for their potential skin benefits. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to our skin. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that collagen supplements may improve skin elasticity and hydration. Now let's talk about exercise. We already discussed the importance of exercise for overall health and weight maintenance, but it also plays a role in skin health. Regular exercise improves blood flow, which delivers nutrients to the skin and helps flush out toxins. Maintaining a stable weight is crucial. Yo-yo dieting, or rapid weight loss and gain, can stretch and damage the skin, making it harder for it to bounce back. And lastly, be patient. It takes time for your skin to adjust to your new body composition. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and genetics play a role in how our skin responds to weight loss. If you have concerns about loose skin, talk to your doctor or a dermatologist. They can discuss your options and recommend the best course of action for you. Chapter 4. Intermittent fasting. It's everywhere these days, right? But is it safe after bariatric surgery? Here's the short answer. It's generally not recommended, especially during that first year after surgery. Here's why. After bariatric surgery, your body needs a consistent supply of nutrients to heal, recover, and adjust to the changes. Intermittent fasting, which involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, can disrupt this delicate balance. Remember, your stomach is significantly smaller now, and you're not able to eat as much at once. Trying to cram all your calories into a limited eating window can put a strain on your digestive system and lead to discomfort, nausea, or even vomiting. Not only that, but it can also interfere with the absorption of essential nutrients, which are crucial for your recovery and overall health. We want to make sure you're getting all the vitamins and minerals your body needs to thrive. Now, I know some people swear by intermittent fasting, and it may have worked for them in the past. But remember, everyone's different, and what works for one person may not work for another, especially after bariatric surgery. Instead of restricting your eating window, focus on establishing regular, balanced meals throughout the day. This will provide your body with a steady stream of nutrients and support optimal healing and recovery. If you're considering intermittent fasting or any other dietary changes after bariatric surgery, please talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can assess your individual needs and advise you on the safest and most effective approach for your situation. So many people ask me about yoga and Pilates after bariatric surgery, especially those dealing with digestive issues. And my answer is always a resounding yes. In fact, these practices can be incredibly beneficial for your recovery and overall well-being. Let's start with yoga. It's a gentle, low-impact form of exercise that combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. Yoga is fantastic for improving flexibility, strength, balance, and mindfulness. Certain yoga poses can actually aid digestion by gently massaging the abdominal organs and stimulating digestive fire. Poses like twists, gentle back bends, and forward folds can help relieve gas, bloating, and constipation. Pilates is another excellent option. It focuses on strengthening the core muscles, which are essential for good posture, balance, and digestive health. A strong core supports your internal organs and promotes healthy digestion. Both yoga and Pilates incorporate deep breathing exercises, which can be incredibly calming for the nervous system. This is especially helpful if you struggle with stress or anxiety, which can often exacerbate digestive issues. Remember, it's essential to start slowly and listen to your body. Choose beginner-friendly classes or modifications if needed. And don't be afraid to ask your instructor for guidance. If you're experiencing any pain or discomfort during a pose, stop and adjust accordingly. Remember, this is your practice, and it's all about honoring your body and its limitations. Incorporating yoga or Pilates into your routine can be a wonderful way to support your physical and mental well-being after bariatric surgery, especially if you're dealing with digestive challenges. As you can see, life after bariatric surgery is all about making smart choices that support your new lifestyle. It's not just about the number on the scale, it's about nourishing your body, moving mindfully, and feeling your absolute best from the inside out. And because I know so many of you are looking for delicious and healthy recipes that won't irritate your stomach or cause digestive issues, I've put together something special. I've handpicked some of my favorite anti-inflammatory meal plans and bariatric-friendly recipe books that are packed with flavor and designed to support your journey. You can find them all at the link below. And be sure to leave a comment and let me know what your biggest challenge has been after surgery. Let's support each other. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.